Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I have here this ZTE, and the model number is ZTE A2017U. And the problem on this phone, the screen is cracked as you see, but it was working before. So what I'm gonna do now on this video, I will just show you how to open it, because it looks like it's not easy to open it. So I'm gonna just show you how to take it apart. Exactly, just to remove this back cover from the phone, and after that you can do whatever the repair you want to done on this phone inside. All right, so to open this phone we will need this IC Sami, and we will need a Phillips screwdriver, and we may need these tweezers. Also we will need a heat gun, and I think that's all. So first of all, let's heat up this bottom side here and this side here, and after that we will use the IC Sami and peel it off. All right. We gotta heat it up like 1 or 2 minutes. There is an adhesive in the bottom, and underneath there is screws. There are screws. Okay, so I think it's 1 minute now. Let me try. So I will use the IC Sami and I will insert it right here. Okay, it looks like it's peeling off. This phone actually, it looks like a HTC. They make it exactly like HTC. So I remove this one. I will put another adhesive when I try to glue it back. Alright, so I'm not gonna clean it now. So now I will heat up here and remove this top bracket. Don't heat up too much, because this is a plastic and you may like melt it with the heat, so you be careful, okay? Et voilà. Okay, let's clean it later. So now I will open these 2 screws in the bottom here. And they have another 2 here on the top. Okay, voila, 4 screws, all of them, they are the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. So after I remove the 4 screws, I will use the IC Sami, and I will go here between the frame, exactly right here between the frame and the glass. I mean between the frame the outside frame and the middle frame. Okay, let me try to open it from this side here. There may be a screw somewhere here because I feel like it's tough. Yes, it is. There is 2 more screws here. Alright guys, so I'm sorry, I didn't pay attention that there is like 2 screws here. Okay, here is one, and this is another one here. So be careful, there is like 4 screws in the bottom, okay? Let me try now. Alright, as you see, it's coming off easy. But I forgot to do something else here. I need to remove the SIM card. This is the SIM pin. Okay, I remove the memory card. And let me make sure there is no other screws here on the top. Yeah, I think there are no more screws on the top. Well, as you see, you gotta be careful. Also, there is like the fingerprint cable is here, so if you take this off quickly, you may cut the cable. I almost did the same mistake. Alright, so I disconnect the cable from the motherboard. Now we have access to the phone inside. What I want to do on this phone, I just want to disconnect because the screen is blank, and I'm gonna disconnect the screen. This is the screen cable, and also I will disconnect the battery cable. Let me find where is it connected. I think it's connected underneath this bracket. Alright, so the battery, this is just the charging port cable. It's taking all the stuff from here to the motherboard. Okay, now I disconnect the battery, and I will connect the screen back. And now I will connect okay, I have to disconnect this bracket because I don't see how to connect the cable. Alright, so everything is connected now. Now I can put this bracket back. Now, okay, this bracket has like a hook like this, so it needs to be underneath here. After that, I need to put the screw, the last screw that I removed from here. Okay, now I will turn the phone on. Hopefully it turns on and show me something on the screen. It turns on but nothing on the screen, so I have to replace the screen on this phone. And since I don't have the screen, I will stop this repair right here. And as you hear, it turns on but no sign of life. So let me disconnect the battery to turn it off one more time, because there is no way to turn it off. Disconnect the battery, reconnect the battery. Now it's connected, it's on. No, I feel like it turns on. Wait. Alright, so it's off now. Okay, we'll just put it back. And now I will connect this cable here. And now I will clean this part here. I will need a flat screwdriver and peel off. Actually, there are two more screws here, as you see. No. Oh yeah, those I'm sorry, those are the two screws that I didn't remove. I just opened them and they are still here. Alright, so I cleaned this. Now what I'm gonna do, I will put screws back. And I will clean the top side. I'm using this flathead screwdriver just to cover this surface here completely. Make sure don't damage the camera lens. Alright, so make sure it's clean 100%, and after that you can put new adhesive, something like this one. And make sure you cut it evenly with the edges. Make sure it sticks very well, and after that you remove the... I'm just trying to be quick because I want to show you just how to open it. And you put the adhesive like this, and remember I still have two more screws I need to put them here. So after that I peel off this adhesive. I peel off this adhesive, and you will put the two screws here, and that's it. And I will do the same thing here. I make sure to not cover the speaker, the earpiece, and the camera. And there must be like proximity sensor somewhere here. I don't see it anyway. So don't cover this one, and don't cover the camera lens. And after that you can stick this one here and make sure it's clean also, and the same thing for this one. Alright guys, so that was all. I just show you how to take apart this ZTE. And I'm sorry it was so quick, and if you think that this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up. And also if you have any questions, leave them in the comment area, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.